Hello everyone, my name is Sunny Sharma and in our previous lectures for class 9th and 10th, as we have discussed about the networking fundamentals and the various topologies which we are using in computer networking. But now we will start with the instant messaging and chatting with contents. So this covers the session 3 and 4th of class 10th and 9th both. So because we are using a information technology book 402 for class 9th and 10th both, so this topic will cover the two sessions. First session 3 will cover the instant messaging and the session 4 will cover the chatting with the content. So I will cover the both of the topics in this lecture. As we all are using the mobile phones, and in our mobile phones we are using the various applications, various softwares like WhatsApp, Messenger, and number of softwares are there in the market which we are using as a in our mobile phone while downloading these softwares from the Play Store of our Android mobile phones. So we can say that as we all are using the messaging, we all are using these services, already using these softwares of instant messaging and chatting with our friends or relatives. So what is a instant messaging? First we will start with the session 3 of instant messaging. So what is instant messaging? Instant messaging is a way of communication or a real-time communication by which a user can communicate with the other end user. So we can say that instant messaging can be used for communicating by the user at the other end. So while using this WhatsApp, Messenger, we can use this instant messaging. And there are number of features of instant messaging. Before the features, I will tell you where the instant messaging starts, from where this thing starts. So in 1994, a company named ICQ has started this instant messaging IM, which is called as IM from the America. And in 1996 it comes as a America Online. So while using this instant messaging software, America Online has started this service in 1996. Afterward it comes in all around the world, like in WhatsApp, in Messenger. Previously we are using the Google as a Orkut also. As an Orkut, at Orkut also we are using a instant messaging. We can send and receive the messages with to our friend and relatives. So all these the options nowadays with the new upcoming technologies, we have options of WhatsApp. Like in WhatsApp we all are using a video conferencing, we are using the chatting, we are using a voice call also. So all these are due to the instant messaging software. It comes in two ways, an application software or a web-based software. So we are using a instant messaging, and it starts in 1994 as a America Online, and then it comes all around the world. Now what are the various features of instant messaging? So students, I want to tell you that as we all are using these software, and we all are using these software while downloading from the Play Store of our mobile phone, and these softwares are free to serve. We don't have to pay any kind of charges for these software. So I want to tell you that these softwares are free of cost and we all are using. And with this technology of this software, we can send and receive a number of messages within a second to the anywhere in the world. So this instant messaging is giving us number of features, and like it is very fast service. Number one, we can say that instant messaging is very fast service. Within a second we can send or receive our messages from a person, from a one person or to multiple person. As we all have communicated through a messenger, and we all have created a number of groups on WhatsApp messengers. So we can send the message to a single person, or we can send a messages to a number of persons while using these softwares. Now it comes up how we cannot even with this chatting software we can send the number of audio video files also with the while communicating with a friend or a relative or a number of multiple users. We can communicate as well as we can send the audio as well as video clips or video files or to a number of users on the as we have a number of contents in our mobile phone. So we can use this service also, and this is also a very good feature of WhatsApp, or we all are using a Hangouts also, we all are using a WhatsApp also, we all are using a Messengers also, we all are using a Google software also. So all these softwares are used for instant messaging, and this software is free of cost. It is very fast technique, and we can send the message to a number of persons at the same time, and we can send the audio files, we can send the video files, we can share the images, videos, files and text messages along with this instant messaging. Now it comes a turn of what is the next feature of this instant messaging. As we all are using the instant messaging, and we can share our recent location also on the instant messaging. So this is also a very good feature of this instant messaging, that we can share our own location through the instant messaging. So the next feature is, as we all are using these instant messaging, so we can send a number of audio files. We just have to click onto the audio button of our WhatsApp Messenger, and then we can record our message, and that message can be sent to the number of persons, number of users on your mobile phone, or you want to see it's an option for you that you want to share that message to a single person or a multiple persons. So it depends upon you. And we can also send the PDF files, text messages. So we can now, for example, I am giving you one example also. Now this, you all are not coming to school these days, and we all are delivering you number of lectures while using this online service of video conferencing. So this also can be done by the using of instant messaging. I can, or a number of teachers all around the world can send a text message, can send a PDF files or a number of files related to your subject while using this instant messaging. So we can say that this is very helpful to all of us, not only in India. It is being used by all around the world, and it starts from the America online service. Now the whole world is using this. Whole countries, whole cities, whole states are using this technique of instant messaging. We just have an internet connection on our mobile phones, or we have a data connection or a Wi-Fi connection. While using these connection, we can connect it to all around the world, and while connecting to all around the world, we can use this service of messages, this service of messenger. So we can say that this thing is very beneficial to all of us, that we are using these services while sitting at our homes, or we can connect to you any person on the number on every person of person to person varies. For example, we can connect to any person whom we have a contact in our mobile phone, and we can send a message while sitting in the any place of the country or the world. It depends. You can send the message while sitting at any location of the world or a country, or your any place you are sitting. You just want to type a message and you can send the message through the instant messaging. Now after the features, I have tell you the brief history. I have told you that I will give you a test also. Don't think that you all are sitting at your homes and there will not be any test regarding your topics. I will conduct you online test or offline test, and the number of questions that varies in your test comes from these topics. I have given you networking fundamentals, topologies, and now from the book Information Technology IT 402 for the class 10th and 9th. So this topic is also very important regarding your examination point of view by the CBSE also. So I want to tell you that this topic is also very important. After features, we came to the how can we download a instant messages or a messenger on our mobile phones or our laptops. As we all are using the social media, and in social media we have a WhatsApp, we have a Facebook. So we all are using these services in our day-to-day life, or we can say that. at every minute or every hour we are using with these services of Facebook and WhatsApp. So either a small kid or a person or a parents or a grandparents, all generations are using these services of WhatsApp and Messenger in these days. So we can say that when we will open our Play Store in our mobile phone, after opening the Play Store, we just have to write, or we just have to click on the particular web software, that is either a WhatsApp or a Messenger. After clicking on the particular software on our browser or a Play Store, we just have to click on to the install. After clicking on the install button, the software will automatically started uploading on your mobile phones, and it will upload it within 10 to 15 minutes on your mobile phones or a laptop, depends upon the speed of the internet. And then there comes the option of the open. When you open the software, you will just have to write your name and your phone number and your location. Then you will start chatting with your friends. So this is how we can start with the instant messaging, and we can download easily instant messaging softwares on our mobile phones or our laptops. After this instant messaging, there comes a next session of chatting with contents. After downloading these softwares, how can we start our chatting on WhatsApp or a Messenger? So we all are using these things. I think you all will already doing these practically also at your homes or in your day-to-day life. So we just have to open the software, as we have done this in the session 3. I have told you how to download the software from the Play Store. After downloading the software, you just have to open the software, and you have to visit to a particular content. You will open your particular content on which you want to send or receive the message. So how this chatting will be started? So all these instant messaging and chatting with contents are using a client-server model. You all have heard about the client-server model in networking as well. And what is the client-server model? I want to tell you first. In client-server model, as whenever we are sending a message to a particular person or a number of persons, the message will be first sent to the server, and then it will go to the particular user or a particular destination you want to send. So in client-server model, as we all are using in this networking also, now whatever the message we will send to the particular user, it will first go to the server, and from server then it will further transmit it to the particular user. So by this we can use the instant messaging and chatting with the contents. So when we are chatting with our number of friends, or we are chatting in a group, so we can chat in a superlative way. Means you can't, there is no need to write the caps lock and all that. It depends upon your condition that you want to send a message in a small alphabet or a big alphabet. It depends upon you. Just have to chat the message, or if you want to attach the text message, files or folders or video clips, anything you want to attach, either a PDF file also, you can just attach through the attachment. There comes the option of attachment also. You just have to click on to the attachment, and there are links will be generated, that where your attachment is either at your desktop computer or your mobile phone, in which drive your particular attachment file will be there. So you can attach your file from there, and then you can send it to a particular person or a number of multiple users as you want. So by this we are using this chatting with the contents. And while chatting with the contents, as we are chatting with the particular person and we want to create a link, or we want a video conferencing, as our Prime Minister Mr. Modi is also using this service of video conferencing while dealing with the number of states, ministers, chief ministers. He is also doing the same way, as he also maintaining a social distancing also in the video conferencing, and there is no need to go anywhere at a particular destination. You just have to sit at your particular home, and you can do the video conferencing with the multiple users as you want. You just have to use this service of video conferencing while using the contact with the chatting with the content. So while video conferencing also we can send the message as well, we can share the files, we can share the audio files, we can share the PDF files. So this is also a very fast service as we all are using in these services these days. So for example, I am also giving you example of this time I am giving you an online lecture for session 3 and 4 of book 402 IT Information Technology, and this also only due to the use of this video conferencing and instant messaging technique through which I will deliver you lecture while you all are sitting at your home during this period of lockdown due to COVID-19, and I am delivering you lectures, online lectures from my home or my school. So this can be only done by the use of these softwares or a web applications named as messengers or a WhatsApp or a Hangout, any softwares you are using related to that instant messaging or messengers. So I want you all to please maintain a notes on these topics also. As I have given you a topic of topologies also, this is also very important topic regarding to the CPSC examination of class 9th and 10th. So I want you all to create a notes on your copies, and I will personally check your notebooks in the school that either you are creating your notes at home or not. So regarding this instant messaging and chatting with content also, I want you to please maintain a notes on this topic also. So I will check it personally. Don't think sir will not be check your notebooks or books. I will definitely check your notebooks. So please maintain your notebooks also. So while chatting with number of users, how can we do the I will tell you how can we start with the video conferencing. As we all are using a WhatsApp messenger and we are using a WhatsApp, there comes at the top of right hand side, on the top of the WhatsApp, there comes the option of camera. There exists a camera and there exists a phone call logo also. When we click onto the phone call logo, then the voice call will be started with the multiple user or a one user you want to chat or you want to conference. And then when we click onto that camera button, the video conferencing will be started and automatically your mobile phone camera will be updated and it will be started. From there you can start your video conferencing as well. So this is the options while using with the video chatting and video conferencing in this instant messaging and chatting with contents. So we can just visit to our Play Store of our mobile phone, and we have to just download that particular web application or a software from your Play Store. And after downloading the software, you just have to open the software and you want to write you have to write the name, you have to maintain a particular ID, you have to sign up with that software, and that particular software which you are using for the chatting or messaging is linked with your Gmail. This is an important point. Whatever the software you are installing on your mobile phone regarding this instant messaging or video conferencing, so that particular software should be related to your Gmail account, so that you also use this particular options while using the Play Store of your mobile phone. And you have to fill the name, or your name, your first name, your last name, your particular location, your phone number, and the rest of the descriptions that the software wants. You have to edit that particular descriptions, and you can maintain your account on Messenger or as well as WhatsApp while using this instant messaging and chatting with contacts in the session 3 and 4 of your book IT 402. So this is all about our today's topic. I want all of you to please read it out and prepare your notes on your copies also. Please purchase the books also and comment me in the comment box if there are any feedback regarding to my topic, so that this gives me a motivation to make more video lectures. So please comment me in the comment box if there are any feedback regarding my topic. Please maintain the notes also. be safe and stay home. Thank you.